Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Ram versus Tractor. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which machine is better suited for specific tasks. A Dodge Ram excels at highway speeds and towing trailers, while a tractor is engineered for immense pulling power at low speeds, perfect for field work. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle unique and where they truly shine. Dodge Ram trucks are designed for versatility, offering a blend of power and comfort. They boast impressive towing capacities, with many models capable of pulling over 12,000 pounds, making them great for boats or large trailers. Beyond hauling, their comfortable interiors and smooth ride make them excellent for daily commutes and long road trips, serving both work and personal needs efficiently. Tractors are purpose-built for raw power and specialized tasks, particularly in agriculture. They deliver immense torque at low speeds, essential for pulling heavy implements like plows or cultivators across fields. Many models also feature a power takeoff, or tow, system, which allows them to power various attachments directly. This makes them indispensable for farming and other demanding off-road applications. Ultimately, your choice between a Dodge Ram and a tractor depends entirely on your needs. If you require a vehicle for daily driving, comfortable highway travel, and towing trailers on paved roads, a Dodge Ram is your ideal companion. However, for serious agricultural work, heavy-duty pulling in fields, or powering specialized farm equipment, a tractor is the undisputed champion. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.